guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video.
In a quarter mile,
who's gonna make it really make it bad for me is me, probably, or you, if you don't treat your customers right. You don't price your services and you try to gouge them. You making mistakes out there when you are notarizing. That's what's gonna sabotage your business most of the time. And I just took a test for a company that I work with, and they had to go step by step how to notarize, and I was like, this is so sad. And I was like, I know the reason why I have to do this test every year, because they're trying to teach me how to notarize. Now, I'll be honest with you.
Road southwest for 3 miles.
Even though they have that test, the majority of notaries are still not going to know what to do, because just taking that little test and you haven't been properly trained. I'm always waving at everybody, y'all. We in the South. I did that up north though. My dad was big on speaking to people. He would always say that it don't cost you nothing to speak. So I speak to people. They may not want to speak back, but I'm gonna always say hi. I cannot imagine walking into a room. I know a couple people that will do it, but it ain't me. And you don't say hello to everybody. It's like, are you kidding? That's so rude. In your business, do you say hello to people with a smile? Hi, thank you for calling Tree Mobile Notary. And put a little inflection in your voice, okay? Customer service. Make the people think you want to help them, and not make them think that. Feel it from the inside. One day I was at a Spanish event, and they were dancing. Some of my friends that speak Spanish, Hispanics, Latinos, whatever you want to say, okay? And I was dancing, and my friend came over. He was like, Kimberly, you have to feel it. You have to feel it. So same thing in your business though. When you're answering the telephone, do you feel it? Can your clients feel it? Or is it like, thank you for calling? Not even that, hey, what you need? And y'all think I'm joking. People do not always answer the phone in a business way. So in a few weeks, we are doing a customer service session in the mentorship program. That's going to be led by Lori Wilson. She is in mentorship and she's doing amazing. So she's actually going to lead a session for us. It's going to be, oh, that's even better. I'm trying to get some of that sun out. She's going to lead a session for us about customer service. So that is coming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Any questions you all have for me while I am here? I see we got some new people that just joined. What questions do you have? So I just finished a will signing and a deed signing, and I had 2 witnesses. I'm just recapping for you. 2 witnesses. One was my hubby. One was one of our mentees, part of our notary family, Notary Business Success family members. And Miss Alethea, shout out to her. And I'm about to put the but I wanted to do this live while it was on my mind, because I was going to get that live on. So, do you all have any questions about your business? Are you working today? Today is Saturday. Are you open? People joke when I tell them I work 7 days a week, but I really do. I work 7 days a week, y'all. And I'm not working 24/7, but I do work 7 days a week. Jeff, do we work 7 days a week?
Mm-hmm.
Tell him what happened when we was leaving that baby shower. Oh, he can't talk too long.
Yeah, we were at a baby shower. It was like 3-something in the afternoon or something like that. And he said, we got to leave because we got to do a job. And people were laughing, but I'm like, look, we have to get, when you self-employed, you got to get it when you can get it.
You got to get it when you can get it. Say it again.
You got to get it when you can get it.
You got to get it when you can get it.
So we left, and we had a little something to eat, and we left and had made a little bit of money. So it all balances out.
And we did get to see her pop off the thing, so we knew it was a girl. But other than that, we was like, we got to go. Everybody was laughing. We were like, what's so funny? I mean, whatever. You think we cared? Be Positive says, I'm definitely looking forward to taking a couple of courses through Notary Educators Mentorship Program. I need the refresher course, please, Miss Kimmy. Well, we don't have a refreshers course, Be Positive, but what I recommend is you get in the mentorship and actually work the community. Let us work for you as a community. I find that those that join the community and come to the sessions, because I just had this conversation with somebody else, and come to the sessions, that's where all that enthusiasm and the chat, the group chat and the sessions are what really propel my students to the next level. It really is. You can watch courses, and we have amazing courses. They're all 5 stars, right? But when you come to that live session every week and get your coaching, your free mentorship, which is included, and be with your peers who also in the same game that you, they know the notary speech, the notary talk. They're dropping gems. I'm dropping gems. We're helping each other. So when you really ready to go next level, it's a little commitment. It's a commitment to yourself. It's a commitment to yourself. But you can do it. Be Positive says, I'm in New Jersey, and any advice for beginners notary public? Proper training, education. Let us help you. I'll tell you what that looks like really quick working with notary educators. I always tell everybody, start with the Start Your Notary Business book. You can get the ebook or the hard paperback, either one. And ebook or a paperback. And that way you'll get an overview of the business, a nice overview. What can you do? How can you make money? How can you market? Then I want you to double back and let me teach you the how to properly notarize, okay? How to charge, okay? All the hows, everything you need to know to put into practical application, then we can teach you, okay? And I have people that's been in mentorship for over a year. And that's just because they love the community, okay? They have the knowledge, but the community part is priceless. That's what I'm saying. So when you come to community, like we got somebody did their first sign in last night. She was in a $27 plan, which is no longer available, but she upgraded to the $47 plan because she had a job. She got in the chat, and we was able to help her with her assignment. So I'm telling you, it's priceless. And that's why I'm like 2025, 26, 27, 28, going forward, no more excuses. No more excuses. Because we have provided you with everything you need. Everything you need to succeed. Okay? So let's see here. Let me get your comment. Jeff, you can leave. I'm going to sit here for a minute. Can you leave the car on? I'll cut it off in a minute. We made it home, but I'm going to just sit here for a minute and wrap up this live because I don't want I guess I can go in the house. I'll just stay here. Shoot. I'll just stay here. Let's see. So she's saying, be positive. Okay, I'll join the mentorship program. Thank you. I'm grateful. Haven't used it, but I'm looking forward to it. Thank you. Yeah, come on. Come and use that stamp. Turn that stamp into cash. Okay? Turn that stamp into cash. Be Positive also says, I definitely want your journal, so I'll order the book. Join you guys ASAP. Thank you, Miss Kimmy. You are so welcome. I'm telling you, when you join mentorship and the chat, that's the missing piece. That's the missing piece. People that you can see them actually doing it. They're, like I said, they're dropping pictures of the checks in there now. No information, but at least the dollar amount. So they let you know, hey, I'm getting paid. Somebody just ordered their printer the other day. They just got that. They got all their supplies set up. So I'm telling you, we are doing some things. I am just so excited for my people, and I'm of the mindset each one teach one. So as they win, they tell other people, and we all winning. So be positive. We will be looking for you. You can see the October schedule is at notaryeducators.com. If you are interested in signing up, notaryeducators.com. And again, like I said, the current October schedule is up. Okay.